When I gave him another chance, I was met with eye rolls they don't understand. Undercovers you'd console, say they don't know what the truth is. But every time you put me through shit, maybe there's a tiny little piece of me that likes it. Corona's clinking on the floor of your car. Where we going? He'd say somewhere far. Fight, kiss, make out in the rain. Call it passion or it's just insane. I know we're long over and it's for the best, but I can't admit that I miss being reckless. Reckless, reckless. I've been some good guys. I was bored out of my